Okay, so let's get started. Hopefully the sound is good. Let me test it. Yeah, we have good sound. All right, so let's get started. We do have, let's go with the first things. I check here. News for today. So really nothing. Let's say that there's a member Cook speaks at 11, and then at 2 p.m. Loan officer survey, but really nothing. No economic news today. So it could be a quiet day, typical of Monday, actually. So let's take this one out. And let's go with second screen here, or main screen. I'm gonna go to main screen so we can check the levels. All right. So levels for today, I'm going to take this one, duplicate here. We do have some support. This is gold. We do have support here at 1989. And then the resistance, I would say that it's above, let's see. I'm going to leave it around there just because we do have that resistance, that resistance, that resistance, that support, that support, that support. And then we are right at the 2000 level right there. So I would leave it, to be, I'm going to take it to 2000. I'm going to put 2000 here. And below here, 1889. Let's leave it there. Yeah, that would be, for me, that would be good on the levels for today. Let's put this one beginning of the day there, and then move this one to the right a little bit. And so let's check the monitor number 2, that one there. And let's check the 240 minutes. It's moving sideways in between these levels. It is bearish on the 240 minutes. I would say that if you see here, there is a triangle. Made a mistake there, so let's correct that one. So there's I would say a triangle right there, and right there too. It's below the moving averages. Red candle on the 240, moving a little bit down and bouncing off of this resistance levels there. So it's sideways. On the 1 hour, it's sideways as well. It has it triggered here a bear flag, went into support, and then moved to the it's moving to the upside. So we'll see 30 minutes. 30 minutes. It's also bearish to neutral, going into this resistance at 1988, right there, 1988.80. And then you see here there's a red momentum in all the charts. So 30 minutes is I would say bearish, neutral to bearish there. Okay, let's go back to crude to see what's going on in crude. And I'm gonna go back to this monitor here, get the point and figure chart, and see what's going on with this one. Let's take that one. We do have some, definitely support right there at 80.17. I would say 80.25, 80.20. I'm gonna leave it there for now. That's beginning of the day there. And then in the upper side for resistance, I like this value up here, $82, 81.80. I'm gonna go up to 82. Just because we do have the cloud there, but I see that there is some resistance and support at around that level, a little bit above. So we do have that one there. This one seems to be strong. That level there. So I'm a little bit above that one. Just to give some perspective, we do have, well, there is a definitely support at this level right there, I would say. Okay, but we're below the resistance here at this level. So but we are right below the 200 simple moving average there. So let's leave it at $82. $82 there. And I would say 80. A little bit above 80, but let's leave it at 80. So I would say that we could go higher if it does something like this. They're looking for that resistance over there. And there's a blue line on resistance here as well. Okay, let's go to the other monitor. And look for crude oil. In crude oil here, we are bearish, doing to neutral. In the 240, we are actually threading that resistance over there. We do have some additional resistance up here. So it's neutral to bearish. The chart is moving to the downside here. on the 1 hour, it's trying to go to the upside here in the 1 hour. And there is a green momentum right there. So yeah, neutral as well, facing resistance. And then in the 30 minutes, we are bouncing off of this trend reversal breakout. Right there, you see that there is a trend reversal breakout. There's that one came back down. and now it's broke to the upside right there. So the breakout happened right there, and now it's coming back to that break, and potentially wants to go to the upside there. I would say that in the 30 minutes is neutral to bullish. Neutral to bullish. So hopefully you got those levels, 82, 82, and then 80. Okay, so, and right now it seems that, let me go to my cruise is 1.24 positive today, $1.24 positive. And so it's going from here to there. So that's a bullish move as per the close on Friday. Okay, let's go to yes. And I'm going to change the monitor once again. And this one is yes. And we had, for some reason, we had that one there. I'm going to take this one, put it here, and look for the levels. 43. Okay, so I would say, you know, that there, this here, that there, that there, that one there. I would say 4,400 right there, just because it's a round number as well. I like that. And then in the lower side, pretty tight in here. So we do have that level here, this level here, that level here, this level there. That level here as well. Okay. Essentially, this level, I see that there's a nice pivot there. And here, a little bit above, probably an overshoot of this one there. I'm going to say 43. What do we have here? 43. Yeah, I'm going to leave it there. 43.70 and 4,400. Hopefully, you guys are looking at this process. So if I'm not here, you can have it. So you know, this one could go gold in 2 minutes. No news at 8:30. So if it goes above here, right, we are looking for a bounce, and then this one also could come to the other side if it keeps in this range. And then from here it can bounce up and then or continue. So not really clarifying, but these are the levels as I see them today. Let's go to the other monitor. And ES, let's check ES. ES is bullish in the 240 minutes. I do need more time in here. This one I have only, I'm gonna put 30 days. 30 days there. Guys, remember to like the video. Please like the video. And also check the Apex discount they have. 90% off for combine account or test account. Check it out and see if it's for you for day trading on futures. And use the promo code that it's in the chat. XGBZFETM. So the link is in the description. All right. So let's go with ES. So ES, I was saying that it's bullish. It's a little bit extended, I would say, in the 240 minutes, going sideways. Be careful today. In the hourly as well, bullish to sideways. It moved a big amount in the last 3-4 days. 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Really high, nice move, and now it's facing the 50, SMA. So be careful that at that level. Okay, and we are below the Ichimoku cloud right here. On the 30 minutes, need to expand this a little bit. So let me get it done that way. So all the moving averages are stacking to the upside. Price is crossing to the downside though. So I would say that this one is sideways as well. Lots of overlapping in between the candles. If you see in the 30 minutes, up, down, up, down. You know, it's moving in a range, and the range is formed of these two big candles that you see here, right? So you have one there and another one down here, and then price is moving in between these two big candles. So I would say that it's in a consolidation or compression side or a compression area. I would start looking for bearish trades if we go below this lines here, or this support line. I would start looking for bearish entries if we go below that level. Okay, so let me go to NQ now. And for that, I'm going to change the monitor once again. Okay, and then here is NQ. Let's move this one out of the way here. And let's look for the levels. Put the range there. Upper side. Let's see what we have to the left here. Right there, huh? We do have that resistance level, that resistance level, that resistance level, support. Man, it seems that support is right on these two levels there, and resistance is somewhere in between that line. So maybe a little bit above. And then in the downside, sorry, it's taken me a little bit to identify here highs and lows. I'm going to go with this one, this previous resistance right there. Yeah, right there could be. So I'm going to say I'm going to round that one up or down, and then 15. $20. Yeah. Okay. So those are my levels. So let's see what it does, and then let's go back to the other monitor and check the levels on NQ. Also moving sideways. It looks heavy on the 240 minutes. Looks heavy here, extended, and in the daily, move down, then a nice move to the upside right here, and now it's all the moving averages are I would say there is some nice resistance at this level here. Let's see if there's a diagonal right there as well. So a little bit of some good resistance to the upside given by this diagonal, but also that level there. So we'll see what's going to do. We do have momentum to the upside right here. Okay, so in the 240 minutes, though, we are kind of looking at the same thing. We are above support. This is not the one I'm going to use. I'm going to take that one. Right on support level. So it could go either way. I would say that it looks heavy. It looks heavy to me. So it's moving sideways. Already moved a big chunk to the up to the upside, and then we're facing support resistance here. In the 60 minutes, also sideways. I let me extend this or expand this one. Some overlap in the overnight. I would say that we are ranging in the overnight. Okay, so not really a big surprise. It's Monday, so and then here we are getting back. There's a lower, somewhat a similar tall or similar high right here, with a little bit of move to the downside. So it's reversing, facing that resistance up here. I would say that it's somewhat bearish, and you see there's a bearish momentum triggering right here now. Okay, so that's the review for today, guys. Again, like the video. if this information is somewhat good. Okay, so let's see what else. So okay, I'm gonna leave it like that. Let's go to see what gold is doing. Bouncing off of support right here, try to make an attempt to go back down. All the moving averages, this is the higher time frame, all the moving averages are stacking to the downside in this one. It's neutral in the trigger Renko chart right there. So, oh, I'm sorry, I'm looking at, oh my God, what am I doing? Same thing for for gold. I was looking at I was looking at crude, but we are looking at gold. So it started to move to the upside here, 1994.60. First 10 minutes, 8:30. So keep moving to the upside here. Let's see which one is, I do have a 3, which increase a little bit the risk in here. So let's move it to Unirenko 2, see what it's doing here. So the question would be, yes, we do have an entry right there, right there. Reset of momentum within the range. It's moving to the upside. Moving within the range. Found some resistance up here. Coming back, top of the range here, on that range here. So what we're looking for now, it's a week out of this 34, a week out of the 34 if it comes back, or a break. So yeah, we're in consolidation. I would say, there's a big number up here and down here, and then our resistance level is up there. So as long as we are in this area here, we are consolidating. Let's see if we can visit that 2000 level again. counter counter trend move in crude. Okay, I think that I'm gonna stop the streaming. You guys have the levels. Remember, be careful today, Monday, and um, don't be so eager to trade too much today. Only if you see trending moves. It's only if you see trading moves, trending moves. But for so far, I see only range here, there as well, coming back down. This would be a counter trend in the range. It's trying to bounce off of the 34 EMA. Second wave. So if we buy here, we are buying right below that resistance. If it bounced off of that diagonal that we see there. I don't see any reason to buy now. Seems that it wants to visit the other side. Yeah, kept moving down. Yeah, I don't see any reason to buy now. Price is below the 34. Close below the 34 as well. Momentum on the 240 minutes is down, is negative. And momentum in the 30 minutes is positive. There's a one red bar. Move below that diagonal. No reason to buy. No reason to buy. NQ8. I'm not trading NQ, so that bar is a little bit large. Moving away of the 50. Momentum is negative. Okay, I'm gonna stop the stream. Thank you so much for watching. I would expect some sideways move today. There could be some breakouts. Be careful with that, and enjoy the rest of your day. And happy tradings. See you next time.